Well, welcome back. Today we're going to make this holiday tree. Really simple scrap wood. Actually, you can use a lot of scrap wood. I mean, this is some really small pieces. So if you got a small shop and you got some scrap laying around, it should be easy to make them out of what scrap you got. Now these are all made out of 1/4 inch lumber, and they're 2 inches wide. And then we'll go ahead and get started. Let me show you, explain to you a little bit about the angles. If you want to get the angles like this. Now I've seen them make them with a little board right here in the middle for you can use it as a shelf. But I think if you made a bigger one, if you learn how to make the small ones, the big ones will probably be really simple to make for you. But once you get that hang, how to build them and find that angle, that's the biggest thing is to find the angle. Once you find the angle, then you make them bigger, longer, thicker. I've seen people make them out of 2x4s. We're just going to make them out of some scrap wood is what we're doing. So let me go ahead and show you the angles. Okay, this is all the lumber you're going to need right here. Just a little bit of scrap wood, just not much here. We have a bottom piece here. Each one, all this wood is made up of 2 inches wide. So you got 2 inches wide and 3/4 inch thick. All the lumber is made out of that. So we got the two first boards. Let's go with the two ones on the top. We're going to start with this one here on this side. And this will be on my right hand side. So what I'm trying to say is that, I go by a pattern. So the right hand side, and this board is 8 inches long from top to top. Okay, the full board before it's cut in angle. All these, the measurements I'm giving you, are when the board has no angles on it at all. It's just like this right here. You understand? The measurement of this board right here. Okay, or something like this. See what I mean? Before the angles are cut. Okay, so this one here, like I said, is 8 inches and 45 on the top of the tree, 22.5 on the bottom. Okay, the one on this other side here be on my left, 45 on the top of the tree. Okay, 22.5 on the bottom. Now, you got four of these, and these are, this is one of them right here. So it would be 4.5 inches long. Okay, 4.5. So you got 4 and 4.5, and each one of them has to be cut on a 22.5 degree. Now, then, okay, let me go ahead and go through it. Now we have the bottom one. The bottom one's 7 inches long on a 22.5 inch degree. And then your board on the bottom way down here, this piece, you could do different things. You can bring a piece out and make another piece. You can even go out like this with a piece in the middle, or just use your imagination on that. I just cut a 4 inch piece because I had left over, and I thought it came out all right. Okay, now what I did is I came from the bottom here and measured up to 1 inch. You measure from the bottom up 1 inch. Bottom up. Well, no, we wouldn't do this one here because this one here is going to fit right like this right here. Okay, so we would put this together like this. These two here on 1 inch, and these two here on 1 inch. So they'll fit. Like that. There. And then glue them, staple them, whatever you want to do. So let's go ahead and get started with this one. First thing I want to do is go ahead and put a little bit of glue right across here. Okay. And this 8 inch is going to be blood, just like that right there. Let's see if I can get some staples in that without going through my finger. And little stars out, please. Now we're going to go to the next one. So like I said, just I guess like this. Measure up. Give yourself 1 inch. 1 inch on the inside would be nice. Get that thing set there. 1 inch over here on the inside. That'll be where the next two set. Just like that right there. Oh, that one's not on. Let's do that one again. I don't want that one. That side is on. There we go. This way. Well, that's the way I was working on it. Okay. Don't get the nails all the way down. I just put it like this. Okay. Now we need 2 more of these. This is going to be a baller here. We get this to stand off a little bit. It'll set up against there a little bit better. A little smoother. There we go. So we need another 1 inch. Let's put the more 1 inch on the inside here. Okay. Yeah, these are just, they're so simple. Like I said, once you start them, but you want to make something to help you hold them. It might be nice, you know what I mean, instead of just what I'm doing here. We got something going now. This one's off a little bit, but it'll settle up once we get it put together here. There we go. Okay, now the last one, just make that the center. So you get 4 inches, maybe 2 in the center. 8 be 4, 4 and 3/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/4 center. Stable gun is not throwing out nails like shit. You turn the air up a little bit or put some air. I can't run the air compressor at the same time I'm doing this, so that's what makes it rough. Okay, all right, there you go. That's what you got right there. It's really simple to do. It's a little hard to hold, for yourself. If you mess up or something, just redo it. Like I said, you can make all this out of scrap. Now, I made the little star. Now, what I did is I went online and you can get the little printouts of stars and stuff. They'll give you free templates and stuff. So I printed it out and then I just went ahead and draw it on a piece of wood. And I used, actually, I got a couple of them made, but I made them out of just a 1/4 inch Luan, really thin Luan. I cut them out like that and then sprayed them white. So I got enough to make 3 right now. We're ready to make 2 more of these. But these are really nice. If you're just, messing around in the shop a little bit and you like to make things like this is a lot of fun. I mean, I can make these all day long and just keep making them. But once you decorate them up and you put little items inside here, you know what I'm saying? They're really nice. Now this one here, I'm probably going to paint a different color. So I'll put one like a green, maybe one red, and maybe one blue or something like that. So it'll just be different color holiday trees. So you can put the color into the season. So if you guys are interested in making them, this is a great, nice little project put out. And also really nice if you like to give people, somebody something that you make. It's really nice to do that. It's kind. And people like, if you did give them to them, that, I really appreciate it. Especially just coming this holiday season, a lot of people are struggling a little bit more on, different things throughout life, and a nice little gift would put a smile on somebody's face. So if you guys like the video, if you haven't subscribed to it, please do. Really appreciate that. It helps me out a lot. Same thing, the thumbs up. And we do have some really nice comments that you guys have been giving us, and I really appreciate that. And it makes my day as well. So I'm hoping to make your day to help you and show you guys a little close as I can, step by step, how to build some of this stuff. We're not building furniture. We're not building anything really big. We're just putting down to the little basic things just to show you guys, especially the beginners out there, what you can actually do by doing a little bit of woodworking and make you feel better. So if you got any comments, just leave them down below. And thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.